What are you eating? Wait, first before you start running, show me what you're eating.
I'm eating dog food.
Do you remember what kind of treats they are? Probably not. Show me the bag. Can you show me the bag? Oh, Blue Dog Bakery. Okay.
Are they good?
Do you like them?
I like running.
You like running?
Why do you have so much energy?
Because I want to run.
Does it have anything to do with what you're eating?
Are your treats giving you energy?
Yeah. Treats are giving my energy.
Yeah?
Do you like them?
I like my treats that Mommy gave me. My treats are giving me energy.
Yeah. Are they yummy?
She puts one in her mouth. What do those taste like?
Bakery.
The bakery?
Bakery.
Do they taste like the peanut butter or the molasses?
Peanut butter.
Oh.
How do they make your tummy feel?
They make my tummy like energy.
Okay, can you stop for a second and say thank you, Blue Dog Bakery?
Thank you, Dog Bakery.